Hello, I am Dr. Prasad Vivek. I am Program Director of Department of Physics. In the Department of Physics, we are offering B.Sc Physics with specialization in Computational Physics, Astrophysics, Laser Technology, and Theoretical Physics. M.Sc Physics. In M.Sc Physics, we are offering specialization in Photonics, Astrophysics, Computational Physics, and Theoretical Physics. In our M.Sc Physics program, we are also offering a specialization in Semiconductor Device and Design Technology. We are offering PhD in Physics course where students can work and research in different areas of physics such as material science, astrophysics, polymer physics, surface physics, terahertz technologies, semiconductor device and design. Our teaching methodology is student-centric, where we offer teaching in terms of flipped classroom, experiential learning, project-based learning. Students are able to do different projects of different physics topics. Not only they are doing projects, they are working on research projects at the national labs, such as IITs or TIFR. Our faculties have international experience of research and teaching, and they have collaboration around the world. So our students get a good interaction with other faculties at different premier institutes. In Department of Physics, we have good research facilities, such as facilities for nanotechnology, material synthesis. At our university, we have central research facilities. We are well equipped with the scanning electron microscope, X-ray diffraction techniques, Raman spectroscopy, and there are various other techniques which a research scholar would need. So overall, we have a very good program of physics, which I encourage all enthusiastic participants to apply and get a good experience out of it.